Reverend Nathan Monk.
Members of the council, I too do not want to see a repeat of what happened at the Monday meeting. I thought it was embarrassing what happened at the Monday meeting in a lot of ways. I have been coming and speaking at City Council for 5 years. And in those 5 years, I have never seen someone removed from a City Council meeting. And at least 3 people were removed at that meeting. And what was offensive about their speech was that they weren't connecting the dots that you wanted them to. Well, you don't have the right to determine what type of speech people are going to have when they are addressing their government for a redress of grievances. If someone wants to connect the dots between the poverty that we have and the amount that a loan is being taken out for, they have the right to connect those dots and question their government about that. As Americans, we have the right to redress our government without fear of being arrested. Oftentimes, when people come to address their government, they're passionate about the things that they have to say. It embarrassed me on Monday. I have had the opportunity to stand before many administrations of this council, and I have always enjoyed it. I've even enjoyed the banter and the times that we've gotten into arguments, and I've had the opportunity to come forward to someone and say, sorry that I said that thing, that probably wasn't the smartest thing that I said, or I could have said that a little bit differently, and foot and mouth and all that kind of stuff. But to throw someone out, that's a shame. That's embarrassing. This council does not have the right to limit people's speech, to determine what type of speech is appropriate, or to determine what types of dots should and should not be connected. This council should be more embarrassed by the fact that people were able to connect dots to Hitler than that someone pointed it out. Whether or not they're connecting dots from Hitler to George Wallace to Barney, if they're connecting those dots, you should be asking, well, what are we doing that's allowing people to connect those dots? It was a sick and gross abuse of power. And what is it?
Your time is up. Sit down. Thank you.
No, I have 1 minute and 12 seconds left.
I'm ruling you out of order.
Well, I am absolutely within order. I am with order. You are out of order. You made an oath to protect the Constitution. I'm not leaving the podium. I have 56 seconds left. I'm not leaving this podium. I have a constitutional right to be here. I have 49 seconds left. I'm sorry, I'm not the one that's doing this. I'm not doing it. I am an American citizen. I'm an American citizen. I'm sorry, Chip. I'm sorry.
I am leaving this chamber as you are in violation of the people's First Amendment right. I will be outside if you want to address your grievances to your government.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Townsend.